students of class 2. Today we will continue the lesson clothes we wear. Okay, so let's come to the slideshow and continue the lesson clothes we wear. Today's date is the 16th. Okay, so what will we see today? We will see that the different kinds of clothes that we wear in different seasons. So in summer we wear clothes. In summer we wear cotton clothes that keep us cool. In winter we wear clothes that keep us warm, such as sweaters, pullovers, mufflers, caps, gloves and socks. So summertime we wear cotton clothes because it keeps us cool, and winter time we wear clothes that keep us warm like sweaters, pullovers, mufflers, caps, gloves and socks. In the rainy season we use things that protect us from the rain, that keep us dry. What are those things? Things like raincoats, gumboots, umbrellas are usually made of rubber and plastic. Okay, so raincoats we wear, gumboots are boots that are made of rubber that is till your knee. It protects your legs from getting wet. And then we use umbrellas. These are made of rubber and plastic. We use this during the rainy season to protect us from the rain. During the rainy season we also wear clothes that is made out of nylon and rayon, as they dry up quickly after it gets wet. So we wear clothes during rainy season made out of nylon and rayon. We wear clothes made out of silk when it is not very hot, and we also wear silk clothing when during special days, okay, during special occasions like during festivals, during celebrations we wear silk clothing. Now let us come to clothes worn in different places. So in different places also we wear different kinds of clothes. Like in places that are very hot, we wear different material clothing. In places that are cold, we wear different material clothing. Like in hot places, we wear clothing that is light colored, clothes that are made out of cotton. Whereas in places where it is very cold, we wear woolen clothes. In places that it snows, we wear clothes that are made out of animal fur. So in different places, we wear different kind of clothing. So people wear clothes made out of different material in different places depending upon how hot and cold the places are. In places that are very hot all year round, people wear light colored clothes made of cotton, like I told you. Okay. In places that are very cold all year round, people wear clothes made out of animal fibers like wool, that is woolen clothes. And these clothes keep them warm. So during winter, in places that have winter the entire year round, it's cold the whole year, those places they wear woolen clothes, and the woolen clothes keep them warm. In places where it snows, people wear clothes made out of animal fur. Let us go to the next slide. Caring for our clothes. We should always take very good care of our clothes. How do we care for our clothes? All clothes need to be washed and dried after we wear them. Okay, after they are worn. We should also iron the clothes to make them look neat. Clothes made out of plant fibers do not need much care. So clothes made out of plant fibers, they don't need so much care. But clothes made out of animal fibers like silk clothing, woolen clothing, they need a lot of care. Okay. And they can be attacked by tiny insects also. So we need to keep them very carefully and keep them in a nice dry place and store them well. Okay, so we should wash these clothes with a mild soap. Some expensive clothes should be dry cleaned. So clothes can be washed with mild soap, and very expensive clothes are sent for dry cleaning. We should also store them in a dry place with mothballs or dried neem leaves. So we should store the clothes in a dry place with mothballs. You have heard naphthalene. We put it in the cupboard so that a nice smell comes, and also it keeps out insects. So mothballs, and sometimes we use also dried neem leaves. Is it clear? With this we complete this lesson. Now let us come to the points to remember. What did we learn in this lesson? We learned that our clothes made from different fibers. What are they? Natural and man-made fibers. Natural fibers come from plants and animals. such as jute, cotton, silk and wool. Man-made fibers are produced in factories like nylon and rayon. Then our clothes are worn according to season. Summer season we wear cotton clothes, winter season we wear woolen clothes, rainy season we wear clothes made of rubber and plastic. Our clothes worn in different places, different clothes are worn in different places. In hot places we wear light clothes made out of cotton. In cold places we wear clothes made out of wool. So with this I summarize the lesson whatever we have learnt. I hope it is clear to you. Now come to the words that we learnt in this lesson. So fibers. Fibers meaning material made of threads, fur, the soft thick hair on animals. Pullover, a warm piece of clothing with sleeves often made of wool. Season, a part of the year that has the same weather. Gumboot, a long rubber boot usually reaching up to the knee, that one wears to stop the feet getting wet. So what is a gumboot? A long rubber boot usually reaching to the knee, that somebody wears to stop the feet from getting wet. What is iron? Make clothes smooth with a machine called an iron. The one that we iron the clothes. It makes the clothes smooth with a machine called an iron. Dry clean, cleaning clothes without using water. Mothballs, small white balls with a strong smell used for keeping insects away from clothes. Clear? I hope this is clear to you, the words that we've learned today. With this we come to the end of the lesson, students. Thank you so much. I hope the lesson is clear to you all. Okay, I will be giving you the question and answers in your group. Thank you, students, and God bless.